Hey guys, let's go for a ride. I'm going to kind of show you a little bit about the truck and do a little drive on it. The truck drives phenomenal. It just drives like a modern truck. The truck is titled as a 62. It's got a 64 cabin front end on it. Very custom. Nice truck. Have any questions, just give me a call. 916-223-4841. Guys, John over Hayes Classics. What I'm here is a 1962 Chevy pickup. This truck has a 350 with a turbo 350 transmission, power steering, power brakes. It has a factory short bed. It's got a very nicely wood bed in it. Interior is done very nicely. It's got the factory rallies on it, which make it really look nice. It's got a nice stance to it. Hey, you want to make a deal? Give me a call.